Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix video pause continue watching problem on YouTube. So let's see how to do it. First of all, open your settings and scroll down, tap on apps, find YouTube app, tap on storage and tap on clear data. Go back to home screen and go to Play Store. Search here YouTube, update YouTube app, waiting for update process. Wait for some times for update process. After completing update process, open your YouTube app and play any video and see your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.